Hi guys, my name is Prince Di Varsovia and this is my video presentation about our community. Our community is a suburban and I would describe my community as informal, and living here is fun and it's crowded sometimes and it's boring sometimes and I love it. That's all.